You want to learn the best way to cook shish kebabs in the oven, making perfect Moroccan grilled chicken kebabs without the fuss of a barbecue? You are at the right place. To make this into a full meal, we will do at the same time a fantastic oven-baked fried rice. All of this on your table in about 30 minutes. So let's jump into it. In a bowl, put 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then mix everything together until it is fully combined. Take 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast or chicken thighs and cut it in 1-inch pieces. When you cut your chicken, make sure not to remove the extra fat of the chicken, as it will give you the most moist and delicious oven-baked chicken brochettes. Continue the process until all your chicken is cubed. Put your chicken in your sauce. Coat evenly your cubed chicken in the chicken kebab sauce, making sure that every nook and cranny is fully covered. You can also add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes for a little kick. Then cover your coated chicken and set it aside until you're ready to assemble your chicken skewer. In a 9x13 pan, put 2 cups of white long grain rice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, half a cup of sliced green onions, half a cup of diced bell peppers, 3 cups of boiling water. Lightly mix, then add 4 teaspoons of chicken powder. Then mix everything until the chicken bouillon is completely dissolved. Cover tightly your baking pan with aluminum foil, making sure that the dough face is up. Then bake 25 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover 2 baking pans with foils, then add 1 pound of quarter baby potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of parsley. Then mix everything together until all the potatoes are covered with the oil, salt, and parsley mixture. Uncover your chicken, then give it a good mix. Cut 3 bell peppers in pieces and cut 2 onions in large chunks. You can also use zucchini, mushroom, whatever you prefer. It's time to assemble your Moroccan chicken shish kebabs. You will use 10 to 15 skewers. If you use wooden one, do not forget to let them soak in water or cover the tips with aluminum foil. Take your skewer and start with a piece of meat, then a piece of yellow bell pepper, then a piece of chicken, then a green bell pepper, some meat, some red bell pepper, meat again, and finish off everything with a cherry tomato. It will create extra moisture in your oven and keep the meat nice and juicy. Repeat the process for every shish kebab. Once that you have assembled all of your Moroccan grilled chicken kebabs, put them in your oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once that your rice is baked, leave it fully covered for 10 minutes. After that time, you can open it. You will have the most delicious rice. You can definitely stop here, or you can also brown the top by placing the pan uncovered under the broiler for a few minutes until the surface is nice and crusty. Your kosher chicken kebabs are now baked, and it is time to assemble your perfect Moroccan grilled chicken kebabs with your fried rice. Do not forget to take some of your grilled peppers, onions with some sauce to add to your fried rice, garnish with some parsley, and you are ready to enjoy the easiest chicken kebabs in the oven that are perfect as a quick and easy weekday kosher dinner recipe. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you for being here. It means the world to me. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you found value in this video. Please share, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we post new content every week. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.